The globe is surrounded by the wrath of earning. Where, how, and when to invest is the biggest global quest. Stocks, bonds, and commodities are not trustworthy anymore. As always, real estate is the only resort for best returns with absolute dependability. The biggest reason being limited availability. We heard some time back, they are not making any more of planet Earth. Real estate market overthrows every other forte of market by its one and only one quality of being inadequate. India is a country with many taboos and cultures. A country once called the third world has now shown and expressed its true value to the world. A country welcoming foreign investments with least obstructions. India has drawn maximum attention among all the developing nations. Amidst India lies the true development engine, Gujarat. Gujarat thinks global. A state which has excelled in every sectors and industries like energy, pharmaceutical, textile, agriculture and logistics. Gujarat has now spread its arms to develop the automobile sector at large. Our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Narendra Modi has expressed his vision and commitment to develop the largest port at Dholera and the biggest airport at Federa. The ultimate dream to make Ahmedabad a port city is getting its shape. The metro rail project will connect Ahmedabad to Dholera, making them the twin cities. Alai Construction has backed the prominent locations amidst all the developments witnessed by Gujarat. Ahmedabad, recently awarded by a research organization named IMRB as the best city to live in India. Ahmedabad glooms like a budding city amidst all the infra booms in Gujarat. The Dholera SIR will be the heartthrob of the DMIC program. It will have the largest airport spread across 7,500 hectares near Federa. Dholera city will be one of its kind cities with technology and infrastructure par excellence. Many foreign investments from all over the world have already seeped in to develop Dholera region. The Sanand-Viramgam highway will be home to many multinational automobile giants like Tata, Maruti Suzuki and Ford to show to the world Gujarat's real potential. All these units have already come into action and will be operational within 2 years. The Nal Sarovar region shelters the glorious ecology of more than 250 species of birds. Residential projects, green cities, and eco-friendly townships are in a lot of demand here, as people want to get away from the hustle of cities. Investing here is a unique opportunity. Bawda and Bagodra are also most prominent locations for industries and residents in the close vicinity. Alai brings you all wonderfully located land chunks at these hotspots. Choose the right piece. Get the best returns you deserve.